Today is a good day. The new vacuum has arrived. So I ordered this after seeing another mom use it on one of her channels. This is the Shark Apex corded stick vac with Duo Clean and 0M. So let's see what it looks like. Not the prettiest color, but it'll do. All right, looks like we're ready to go. All right, so I've already vacuumed this carpet once. Well, I didn't, my robot vacuum did. We have the Neato. I'll talk about that one later in another video, but let's just see how much this picks up after the robot vacuum has already gone across it. Alright, so it did pick up a pretty good amount, as you can see in there. So overall, considering that carpet had already been vacuumed once, I'd say it did a pretty good job. Okay, so let me tell you about why I decided to get this particular vacuum. I did a ton of research before I actually made the purchase. First of all, the color had nothing to do with it. I wasn't really going for this color, but this particular color was $60 off. So if somebody's gonna offer me $60 off just because of the color, then I'm gonna take it. So the reason that I ended up going with the Apex was because this one had the Duo Clean as well as the 0M. So there's two separate brushes in here. We've got the Duo Clean, meaning double. This soft one helps to pick up the larger particles and helps to engage on hardwood floors, whereas this one here is really great for the carpet. Also, I don't know how it works, but somehow these brushes do not allow for any hair wrap. And because I have hair that is pretty much down to the bottom of my back, I decided that I did not want to be cutting hair off of the vacuum rollers on a regular basis, so I thought that this model would be a great choice for that. Here's one more look at everything that came inside of the box. We've got the crevice tool, the fine dusting brush, as well as the upholstery tool. If you found this video helpful, please do go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much.